Hi guys, welcome to Jules Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a savory thyme canelé. I'm going to serve it as an amuse together with some mushroom cream, mandarin zest and some mushroom powder. So, let's begin. We're going to start with the canelé batter. First, pour 375 grams of milk into a saucepan, together with 25 grams of sugar, 5 grams of salt, 35 grams of butter and 10 sprigs of thyme. Now heat this up until the butter is melted. Meanwhile, mix 110 grams of flour with 50 grams of egg yolk and the hot milk mixture until it's completely smooth. Now cover this and let it rest in your fridge for 12 hours. Now for the mushroom cream. Start by cutting 400 grams of mushrooms into thin slices. Then take 2 shallots, clean them and cut them in slices as well. Now heat up a baking pan and add 30 grams of butter. Also add the shallots, 3 grams of salt, the chopped mushrooms and the leaves from 5 sprigs of thyme. Bake this until it starts to color and then deglaze it with 150 grams of beef stock and 15 grams of sherry vinegar. Reduce this completely. Then transfer it into a blender and spin it till smooth. Once it's smooth, season with salt when necessary and then put it in a piping bag. Now take a knot of butter and melt this on a low heat in a saucepan. Use a small brush to add a layer of butter on some canelé molds. Then take your canelé batter and add 25 grams of cognac. Now mix this well for 1 minute and then put it through a fine sieve. Fill your molds just below the top and then bake them for 5 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. After that, tap the tray and then bake them for another 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Remove them from the molds and let them cool down completely. Then take a small mushroom and trim the stem. Now cut it in thin slices on a mandarin and then cut those slices in half. Then make a small hole in the canelés and fill them with the mushroom cream. Pipe a small dot of the cream on top and zest a little bit of mandarin zest on there as well. Decorate the top with the mushroom slices and finish it off with some mushroom powder. The canelés are best served right after baking, but otherwise just reheat them for 5 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius and then they're perfect as well. Enjoy! Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. So please let me know in the comments on what you want to see next. Like and share the video and subscribe if you want to support my channel and enjoy more cooking videos. And there's just one more thing to say and that's bon appetit!